Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a folder to your Google Drive on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Google account, and a folder that can consist of documents, photos, videos. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Click on Google Chrome. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to Google Apps, click on Drive. Let's now go to New, Folder Upload. And this can only be done on Google Chrome. If you try do this on, let's say, Safari, Firefox, it will say cannot folder upload. So let's go to the desktop. Let's click on Instagram Tools. Click on Upload. If we want to go within the folder, we will just click on the folder. However, this is a folder upload, which is why everything now is grayed out. It is searching for the folder. Let's go one back. Click on Instagram Tools. Click on Upload. This will upload all files from Instagram Tools. Only do this if you trust the site. Of course, we trust the site. Click on Upload. Uploading one item. 3 minutes left. 1 minute left. This may take some time. Really depends on the size of the folder. The size of the folder for today's video is 100 MB. Half the folder has now already been uploaded to the drive. We're just waiting for the last half, less than a minute left. And so if we were to upload a folder size of 1 GB, that would take some time. However, this is 100 MB, which is why you can see the upload is very quick. Also depends on the upload speed. And so we are nearly done. As we have videos within this folder, it will take some time before the videos can be played. We will receive the same message as we did in the previous tutorial that says the video is still processing. Let's now go to the folder, Instagram Tools, after the upload is done. And so let's click on the first video we see. We're processing the video, check back later or download the video now. We can do that at another time. But for now, the folder upload has been completed. So we can now quit Google Chrome. Go all the way down to the dock again, go back to Launchpad, Google Chrome, Google Apps, the drive, go back to the folder, Instagram Tools, and there we have some videos have started to appear. And so we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.